everything that's going on with racing right now is turning to online, which is really cool because you can do that anywhere. I mean, you could go out and grab a steering wheel and run on a computer, or maybe even get on an Xbox and play a Assetto Corsa or something. You can hop into a racing environment at any point. So I've really not taken advantage of this too much. So now I am putting all of my focus really for the next couple of days here over the weekend to build a sim and get licensed and to get everything that I need so I can go and compete at a high level on Assetto Corsa, iRacing, and maybe I'll mess around with Project Cars too, just for fun, because one of my old race cars is in there. So that'll be cool. But right now it's on to building a computer. All right, we got a ton of parts here for the computer. I'm gonna get it put together tonight, I think. And so I'm just gonna make a video of me assembling everything. I don't really know what I'm doing, and this is gonna be awesome. So I got the pedals assembled last night. I do have to make a little bit of adjustment on the seat that I currently have. I'd like to update it eventually, but right now, you know, I've got what I've got and I'm gonna make it work. Okay, so officially all the parts are in. Now I have to figure out how to assemble a computer. I have no idea, so we're gonna try and put a time lapse on and see what happens. All right, so I'm probably like a quarter of the way through. Here's my mess, just everywhere. But overall, you know, we're getting there. Computer's coming together. But yeah, just stuff everywhere. It's all good though. Looking forward to having it all put together tomorrow. So here we go. Everything seems to be doing right. Turned it on for the first time, and we'll check it out. I'm like 75% of the way completed with my first computer build. So we've got the BIOS set up here. Yeah, I had an issue where the RAM wasn't plugged all the way in, so it wasn't coming on a second ago, but got that sorted out, and now we're gonna run through the system setup. All right, here we have it. Working computer. I did it.